Good afternoon, everyone. We all are gathered here in front of you to present our website on secure online event management system, which is our project title. So these are our project client details. Project overview. So online event management system, which helps in managing the events through technological support, or how to overcome with the cyber threats, malware, and other DDoS attacks. So WordPress is used for creating the online event application because it is a most powerful uh, tool which is used to create a website in comparison with others. So client requirements are that we have to consider the important functionalities, that how to register, how to make a secure payment of the customer so that it will be properly secured, because security is considered to be an important part in this website making. So this is our project design, in which user authentication is must in order to make an secure transaction in our event management system. So these are our design approaches: data storage and processing, user authentication, secure communication, firewall protection, and captcha handling that we discussed already in our previous presentation, that how to make a secure website for event management. So these are some methods which is to be used for MN692 capstone project. So technical prototyping, usability testing, and surveys. Usability testing and surveys, which involves quantitative as well as qualitative techniques. Focus groups which formulate the requirements. Operational simulation, which also used for changing of the management, and also performance benchmarking. So this is my initial implementation for user authentication and authorization. As you can see in our screen, this is an event management system. This is a web page that has been created for the design approach, in which you can see the tabs: home, contact us, payments, where customers will be authorized, like login details and username, password. So in my initial implementation, the most important thing will be multi-factor authentication.
I'm someone talking about like my design approach is about designing data storage and processing and event management system. Here we have a database to store all the data, like structured and unstructured data, like and all the data security, event data processing and search functionality, analytics, the content delivery, load balancing, and data retention policy, monitor and logging, yeah, complaints and testing everything, and the customer details and the payments, and all the data has been stored in a database that in an event management system. Thank you. And the next one.
Yeah, from my design approach, I am going to use the HTTP protocol for more security, and this HTTP is used to serve web pages and content related to event booking on our website. And user can make bookings through the web browsers, and which communicate with the server using the HTTP request and response. And after the successful logging of the user, he directly go to the event booking page. Once he selected the event, then he redirected to the page, and then next will presented by Shubham.
I explained the firewall protection approach, how to implement this approach in our website. First of all, we established the network level firewall in between the internet and the web server to filter the incoming and outgoing traffic. After that, we implement the WAF web application firewall word fence to monitor and filter the HTTP or HTTPS traffic for known vulnerabilities such as the SQL injection. After that, for login protection, we enable the brute force protection to thwart multiple login attempts, because it after whenever the user or client successfully log in their account, he or she can easily book an events from our website.
Hi, my name is Joel Wilson. I'm here talking about the implementation of capture services in our website. This is a page of event management system where capture services, high-level capture services are used along with the payment method. We are using our capture service because it's easy to integrate with our website. Our capture is mainly focused on registration and login processes. Also, for contact forms and comments, we are providing captcha just to confirm the human identity. Also, for logging and registration, we are providing captcha just in case if there is a huge pool of login requests at a single time, and the captcha will help regulate unwanted logins. And we are also providing captcha in ticket sales and RSVP, uh, so that we are implementing captures to prevent boards from manipulating the process, such as buying tickets in bulk or mishandling with users' information. And we will attain capture difficulty um, by classifying our users, such as if a blind user uses our capture, he'll be hearing an audio capture. Also, our capture is pretty responsible and accessible. We will provide regular updates and user education. Monitoring and analysis is along with the capture, and that will all the data collected from our monitoring and analytics will be saved uh, in our server for future use. Thank you.
So the limitations and conclusions. So security protocols are used for securing the system because only authorized user will get an access. So we mostly consider the multi-factor authentication, which is very important. And WordPress is the only platform which we used for developing the application system because it is more robust in comparison with others. So that's it's more powerful. So you can do so like your content would be safe and it's freely usable. And yeah, so design approaches we used in this only to make or generated our applications. So multi-factor authentication is used for improving the security of our website. So thank you so much. These are our references.
Thank you.